that you guys are afraid of. Hello my happy faces, welcome back to my channel. No, it is not Happy Thursdays with Riddhi, and it is not a video day because it is a bonus video day, you guys. And if you're thinking that why is Riddhi speaking without any makeup on her face, I mean I just have a lipstick on my face, is because I'm going to be talking about something which we all want to hide, but it's inevitable, you guys. I am talking about these bad boys right here. I'm talking about dark circles today and how to get rid of them. There are some natural ingredients as well as some ready-made products which you can use to get rid, or at least just try to get rid of these dark circles. I'm not ashamed of having these dark circles, guys. This is a part of me. This is how I am, and I wanted to show you exactly that. So hello without any makeup, just a lipstick on. So if you want to see what kind of products or what kind of ingredients, natural, homemade things as well as man-made things I use to get rid of my dark circles, then please keep watching this video. It's gonna be interesting, it's gonna be factful, it's gonna be something hopefully which is helpful for you guys. So let's get on straight away to the video. Under eyes are the most sensitive part of your skin, and that is the reason why you need to take care of your under eyes. I know that everyone has a lot of stress in their life. You don't get good sleep. 12 बजे तक हम लोगों को नींद नहीं आती है. If you are like me, then comment down below. I'm like totally not a morning person and I tend to sleep very late. Yeah, lack of sleep, a lot of stress because of our very busy schedule, very busy life, be it office, be it college, or be it anything which you do. There is obviously a lot of stress which actually reflects on your face. Like you get zits like these and also under eye darkness. Dark circles overnight nahi aaye. It is an effect of everything which you have been doing for the past couple of years. So yeah, it's gonna take time, but hopefully these things will help you. Firstly, I'm gonna be talking about some homemade things which you can get easily in your kitchen, and then I'm gonna be talking about one product which I've been using for the past couple of weeks and I'm liking the results. The first thing which I'm gonna be talking about is using rose water and milk on your under eyes. The rose water is something which will soothe your tired and puffy eyes, and mixing 1 tablespoon of rose water with 1 tablespoon of cold milk will actually help you in getting rid of those darkness under your eyes. The milk has lactic acid which will help in reducing your darkness. You just have to soak 2 cotton pads in that mixture of rose water and cold milk and just apply it on your eyes. Just let it sit for about 20 minutes, and after that just take a towel, damp it in water, and then just wipe off the mixture of the rose water and the cold milk. Obviously I'm not going to see instant result, but it's going to help you if you use this remedy at least 3 times a week. I think that's a good number, and that's what my first remedy to reduce dark circles is all about. The next remedy which I have for you guys, which is number 2, which is potato, aloo. Don't eat it. Instead, if you use it under your eyes, that's a very good thing to help reduce your tiredness and puffy skin. Potato is a natural bleaching agent which will help you to brighten up your skin and get rid of the darkness. You just need to grate the potato and squeeze out that juice and then apply it on a soaked cotton. Apply it for around 15 minutes. Let it sit there, let it get a beauty sleep, and after that again just use a wet towel and just take off the potato juice which you just applied on your face. You should see that your eyes feel much more relaxed, much more refreshed and less puffy, but again you need to use it at least thrice a week to get visible results in a couple of weeks. Moving on to number 3 is something which again you all like to eat, which is very good. It is cucumber. Cucumber consists of 95% of water, so think of it as a very good moisturizer for your skin. You should be incorporating a lot of cucumber in your diet as well, but applying it on your eyes gives such a relaxing effect. I mean, I applied the cucumber on my eyes and I was instantly feeling relaxed and refreshed and so cool. Of course it's winter, so you might want to think if you really want to use cucumber right now, but maybe you can just sit in your blanket and apply the cucumber and let the magic work. Cucumber actually helps to revitalize your skin, and it's also very good for firming the skin under your eyes. The fourth thing I would say is to drink lots of water. I know that even I don't do that sometimes, and I have to like constantly remind myself that drink water, drink water. Sometimes I would just drink a glass of water, and I want you to realize, especially in winters, but incorporating a lot of water in your diet will help you to take out all that toxins and all that bad stuff which is sitting inside your body, release that, and make your skin glow. So I think water is one of the most important things ever. And talking about cucumber, I move on to my 5th tip, which is this product right here. This is the under eye cream by Mamaearth. Now this is something which they sent me 2 weeks back, and I've been using it every single day in the morning as well as at night. Obviously grating a potato or mixing rose water and milk is something which in our busy life we aren't able to do every single day, or at least thrice a week. We will try, but it's sort of different, and especially for me, I have like a very busy schedule with office as well as managing YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that. But yeah, the one thing which I really like about this is that the ingredients are full of everything good. First, as I said, it has cucumber. That's the main ingredient, and you know, using a cucumber on your eyes can be a little difficult because it will keep on falling. I personally prefer using an under eye cream which is like a ready-made thing. It has all the ingredients, and for Mamaearth, I know that their products are all natural, organic. They don't contain any parabens or sulfates, and they're completely safe to use for the moms, for the ladies, for the women. Even the guys can use it. I know that boys also have a lot of stress and therefore a lot of dark circles, so guys, you can also try this out. It also has coffee in it which has anti-inflammatory properties, and coffee also helps in giving firmness to the skin along with brightening it and obviously reducing your dark circles. It also has mineral oil and it's paraben free. It has bioactives and it suits all skin types. So if you have dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, you can use this. And honestly, for the past 2 weeks I have been using this under eye cream by Mamaearth. I use it before I go to bed and before I'm applying my makeup in the morning. I would just take a pea-sized amount of this product, like literally you need like a coin dot sized product like this, and I would just go in circular motions all over my under eyes. I know that it's giving me very hydrating effect on my eyes, on my under eyes, and you can even take it on top of your eyes above to your brow bone, and you know, just go in circular motion and just massage it well so that you know you absorb the product very well inside your skin and let it penetrate and let the ingredients do the magic. So yeah, this is how the bottle looks like. It has a pump thing which you know, can just give you the right amount of product which you need. You don't need a lot. The thing which I like about using under eye creams is that it's very hassle free. I mean, you don't have to arrange for all the ingredients, though the ingredients are very readily available, but then sometimes in your fast-paced life you don't have a lot of time, you know, just to assemble all the things and then apply it and then wait. Let it stay for 2-3 minutes, and then after, what I like to do is just apply my concealer. What the under eye cream does is it gives like a very nice base to my concealer. It stops my concealer from creasing. That's the one thing which is most important, you guys. If you're using a concealer, you need to make sure that आपकी under eyes बहुत अच्छे से hydrated है और आपने cream लगा ली है, so that because if you apply concealer on your dry eyes, like dry under eyes, it's obviously going to crease. The price range is $5.99, and this is how the outer packaging is like. You can see the product. Obviously I've taken it out, and I really like the fact that it has written a tip for bright and beautiful eyes. It says follow the rule of 8 hours of sleep, 8 glasses of water every day. This can work wonders for your skin. And sleep on your back. This does not let fluids to collect under your eyes. Nice. And this under eye cream can also be used as a moisturizing face cream for best results. So that's good. You can even mix it with your moisturizer and use it for your entire face, because again, it has cucumber and coffee, which is super good for your skin. I think all the good stuff goes inside this under eye cream. You guys should definitely check out their collection. I've also reviewed the Mamaearth body lotion, which I think is my savior for the winters for my dry skin and leg. I'm loving that. I'm going to be linking my review right on top so you guys can check that out. And yeah, these are my thoughts about how you can get rid of dark circles. This was my review about the Mamaearth under eye cream. You can definitely go for it and check out the results for yourself. Again, nothing is gonna happen overnight, you guys. You need to use this product. You need to use all the natural ingredients at least, you know, for a period of a month, to be consistent, to be patient, to see the results happening for your under eyes. Get good sleep, drink lots of water. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this review of the Mamaearth under eye cream. I hope you guys enjoyed my natural homemade remedies for reducing dark circles. If you did, thumbs up to this video, you guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys every Thursday. I'm going to see you guys next Thursday now. Actually, this Thursday now. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.